Lisa, you must be my new neighbor. My mom told me about meeting you yesterday. And this is my best friend Mila.
Hi, I am your neighbor too, but upstairs.
Hi, my name is Tita. My family and I have just moved here from India 2 weeks ago.
We're heading to my house to hang out. Would you like to join us?
Yes, please. Wow, you have a beautiful home.
Thank you.
That smells nice. What is it?
Oh, my grandmother just cooked chicken rice using her traditional recipe.
Sounds yummy. I haven't tried chicken rice yet. My family and I have been going to some nearby places like Water Point to try out some local food. We love the food here.
Wait, I know a great place. Newton Food Center. It has a variety of local food.
Yes, I love the seafood there, and I like that they have halal stalls too. Oh, I am a Muslim, so my food has to be halal. It means that the food must be prepared in a certain way according to my religion, and I also don't eat pork.
I can understand because in my religion we do not eat beef.
We don't have an Indian friend, so we don't know much about your culture. Can you share with us more?
Sure. One of our biggest festivals is Deepavali, where we celebrate the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. I can show you the outfit I wore last year for Deepavali.
Yay, let's go!
This is my Deepavali outfit. It's called a sari. We usually wear bright colors for the festival, and on that day we have an all bath to symbolize spiritual cleansing and welcome new beginnings.
I did not know that, and your sari is beautiful.
Yeah, I love the vibrant design and colors.
I can't wait to invite you both over for Deepavali.
Yay, we love to come over. Thank you.